I think she cleaned up really well. This is one of those cars that you just don't paint. Maybe put some heavy clear on it, but just keep it exactly the way it is. I think it's great. There's a lot of people that don't like patina or whatever, but I don't know. There's just something about this one that caught my eye. So there's a lot more work it needs done, but at least you guys got kind of a power washing video out of it. What I want to do before I put it away, I want to open the trunk because I haven't been able to get in the trunk yet. I wasn't able to do it when I bought it because it was up against a fence. I couldn't get around to it. The lock cylinder's gone, but it looks like I can probably get some needle nose pliers to pop it open. I know it's rusty. I can tell from underneath here that there's some rust. But I want to know what kind of parts are in it. That's the main thing. I'm hoping there's a gas tank, because I was told there's a gas tank, but I guess you just never know. Oh, those aren't gonna work. All right. Try these longer ones. I just don't think this opening is wide enough. No. There we go. All right. Sweet. So this lip right around here is the main thing I was worried about. It's got surface rust on it, but it's solid. A little bit right here. It's not bad. Maybe that part's bad. But of course the trunk pan is pretty much gone. There's all kinds of rat poop in here. All kinds. Wow. Wow. I got some jack stands. I wonder if those are the ones from Harbor Freight that got recalled. I got a bunch of trash. I was hoping for this. I know this was missing and that was missing off of the engine in the front. This, I don't know where this, I'm guessing this goes on a valve cover. I don't know exactly what part of the engine that's for. There's two of them though. That's good. And then here's the covers for the seats. And then headliner bows and the chrome trim that I'm missing for the side. So what I was hoping is in the trunk is in the trunk. Looks like they even painted the underside of the trunk when they painted the car blue from green. So, well, that's good. At least I don't have to crawl through the trunk, through the back seat. Well, I just checked online. The 61196 jack stands are the ones with the problems. So, I don't know how much these were retail, but I'm going to take them to Harbor Freight. There you go, 61196 right there. Clean them up. That's free money I found in the trunk, basically.